Right! Ito naman!
Did you open the...
What? What?
Red. Hey, Red.
What?
Bro, there was a problem over there. I can't see my own self in the camera. I can't see myself in the camera.
I-setting mo yung camera. I-setting mo sa Streamlabs.
I remember this game. James, you already... Did you already beat the game, James?
Yeah, good to know. I didn't know.
Red, join. Red, join.
Wait, you monster! I need to...
Monster daw, monster.
Bruh. Ayun.
Castlevania.
I didn't.
Create na ako.
Oh yeah,
Real Strikers 2.
They'll hear you with a loud sound, man. Let us see.
Okay, if you're recording, man.
Okay.
Ang game ng Bronco is Realm Striker.
Realm Striker. Okay, nandito na ako.
Okay, ready to record, guys.
Realm Striker.
Okay.
Where is the real strike?
Naka-Minecraft pa rin ako. Okay, let's go, bro. We have a random. Let's go. Start the game.
Okay, record tayo.
Let's go! Are you ready? Hold on. I can't see the
Okay, record siya na.
You ready? Guys, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Go, record, guys.
I record.
Recording na ako.
Let's go. Okay, let's go, guys.
Putik.
Since the map is loading,
Nag-loading pa rin yung map din.
the intro is still loading.
I can move. Oh heck no. I can move. Umiikot kayo. Baka mamatay ako. Load mo lang yung cutscene. Wait mo lang ako. Wait. Wait mo lang yung cutscene. Okay, let's go na. Polaroid Studios.
I gotta shut it on you, man.
Okay, bet. Please put on max graphics. No thank you.
Okay, don't take it.
A little bit. That's
Yeah.
Still loading, man.
Gabi still loading.
Nag-loading pa din ako.
Man, I can't even move. How did you move?
Nasa mobile ako kasi.
Did you move?
Mga mobile players like me.
What the heck?
Mobile players like me have supernatural powers in the Roblox.
I think I have McDonald's Wi-Fi.
McDonald's! Ako din. PLDT na naman, boy. Action! Ay, ayos na.
No. Oh my God.
Alright, cut.
Oh my God.
That was good, guys.
I can't move.
Yeah,
I
that was
can't
good.
move when I press
I'm thinking we get a wide
wasp.
angle and we're done,
I
alright?
press the wasp.
Okay.
Okay, how much? A little more.
Dito kayo. Oh, okay. Oh, nope. Ano ba yan? Putik, mamatay na naman ako. Paano ka to?
Come on, guys, let's go.
Wait, I can't even move.
Brother.
I said I can't move.
Okay, wait natin si Red.
W button, I can't. When I press the W button, I can't even move.
Okay. Uy!
Putik! Pinatay nga si Red, putik!
Great, bro. Great. Great.
Bakit hinama niya ako?
It just started at me, man.
Namatay agad ako ng putik.
Oh, hindi ka pala mamatay.
Wait for me, bro. I have an intro. I thought
Patay din ako, putik.
Oh, not again. Not this again.
You are dead. Yes, very obvious. 4 lives left. No, spectate na lang. Ikaw na lang.
Bro, I can't even.
Kaya na lang, boys. Kaya na lang.
Namatay na naman ako, putik. Namatay na naman
Bro,
ako.
the intro.
Likod mo! Nasa likod mo ang monster. Oh wait, dapat hindi gumagalaw. That's why. Dapat hindi gumagalaw. Ay, putik.
I can't skip. I can't skip right out to the bar. Not to the bar, I can't skip. Because it needs 3 players to skip on my own.
Night. Tumakbo ka na, boy.
I can't even skip.
Nahanap mo ba yung ano? Nandyan pa rin si
I can't skip.
Putik, nasaan na si Red?
Bro, I can't skip the cutscene. There's an intro cutscene appearing in my game.
Bre! We're already above that, bro. Nahanap na exit. Wait mo lang. Yeah, nahanap na.
Oh my
Nahanap na.
I got a shotgun. Oh yeah.
Pwede ka na magalaw. Let's go. Flashlight natin.
Let's go. Thank you guys for supporting.
Oy, putik. Eh, takbo.
Was right. I'm here.
Oy, si Patrick! Uy, nandito naman si Practice Boy. Brightness go up.
Patrick the starfish is here.
Oh, shoot. Balik.
Wait, nasaan?
Okay.
Oh, look. I see a
Balik sa
note.
yung flashlight ko.
It says,
Come
we need
here.
to find
Guys,
the
come here.
vault. Wait, I remember that. We need to find the vault.
Oh, shoot. Eh.
Takbo, man. Takbo.
Balik dito. Balik kayo dito. Putik! Saan kayo pupunta?
Oh my god.
Wait ko lang ako.
I'm gonna
Saan na kayo, putik? Okay, dito na kayo.
Man, bro, you know what? I'm gonna eat the starfishes if I were you.
Pre, sobrang... That's why tawag niya si Patrick. Kasi ang laki niya.
Fish eater. Now I'm a fish eater, you know that?
Starfish siya. Hindi siya fish. Starfish. Putik. Oh shoot, papatay na ako.
My stamina.
Bakit na-split tayo? Red, split tayo.
I'm splitting up with my shotgun.
Find the bombs, man. Find the bombs.
I'm using my shotgun.
Oh shoot. Takbo, Gab, takbo. Putik, tumakbo ka na, Gab. Ay! Patay ka. Takbo ka na. Ay! Tumakbo ka na, boy. Sana yung starfish na yun, boy.
Where the other phone? I can't see anything.
Shoot.
What a snake.
Ito na ba? No, hindi. Putik. Sana kayo, boy? Sana kayo?
Nabuksan ko yung bombs. I open the bombs.
Wala ka mahanap bulbs. Shrek? Anong Shrek? Walang kaming Shrek dito. Only si Patrick. Ay, may table. Oh, shoot. Oy, boy! Nahanap ka. Thank you. Okay. Nandiyan nga si Patrick. Nahanap ko na siya dyan.
Wait, nasan ba?
I think wala na si Patrick.
Huwag ka pa naiiwan yan.
Anong green na yun?
Ito yung bombs. Ay, hindi ko makita yung bombs ah. Nasaan kayo bombs? Where's the bombs?
Meron isa. Yeah.
Okay, bro, I got it.
Let's
I
go.
got it, bro, I got the one valve. I got the first valve.
Boy, saan ka na, boy? Boy.
Exit. Nabuksan mo, yes! Nabuksan mo, man!
You're gay.
Ha?
Bro, are you serious right now, bro?
Boy, nag-jumps ka na ako ng smiley.
Rules of nature.
Saan yung exit?
Give me the exit or I'll eat your starfish.
Saan nga yung exit? No.
Good. Alright.
Ito.
Time to travel.
Saan yung exit, boy?
I'm going to hell, bro. I'm going to hell. Let's go!
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, oh.
Let's get this cutscene, man. Let's get cutscene.
Skip,
I
guys.
got a shotgun for you. I got a shotgun. Toy monster.
Act 2.
You don't belong in this world.
Bro, seriously, bro.
Alright, is this the hotel? Yeah, it's the
Guys,
hotel.
dito namatay si Flowcake kapag kapag may dumaan ng, yung malaki.
Ano malaki?
Wait, there's a giant monster.
No, I mean, we played in this previous video, guys. Na-play tayo sa previous video.
Eh.
Bro, did you upload the video now?
I'm still editing, guys. I'm still editing. Okay.
Are you
Boy.
serious?
Boy.
now? I didn't think I get.
Saan na kayo?
I've been taking so long and I was upset because of you, bro.
Jump.
Ha? Jump.
What? How did you do that?
Okay.
Saan na kami?
Guys.
Double skip.
Gab.
Huh?
You know what to do. You know what to do.
Be quiet.
Yeah, you know what to do.
Be quiet. Ano naman, no?
Kill monsters using shotgun.
No. Be quiet. Yep. Alam ko to. Don't worry, guys. Last video, guys.
Bro, is that the office that I went?
Kailangan mo talaga mag-crouch.
Yeah. Dapat, yeah.
Dapat nga.
Is that the office, bro? Because I need to get you.
Okay.
Oh, takbo.
I'm not running, guys. I'm not running. And I'm not...
I am very stolen.
Oh my god.
Aron net good cushion alcohol.
I'm eating my own snake.
I'm on that good cushion alcohol. Takbo.
I am very solid because of my snakes.
Okay. So, ito yung yung padlock. So, we need to...
Lalating na dito.
Find the 3 keys and get your iPhone 16 Pro Max.
Ha? Di yan sinasabi. Yung sinasabi, kapag patay na siya, boy.
Ganda pala yung karakter ni Gabriel. Akala ko yung creeper pala yung sinuot niya. Ang ganda eh.
Oh, yeah.
Nagkaroon ako ng Robux. Pero 59 Robux ko na.
Ayan.
May light switch. Putik, may light switch.
Kapag nakikita mo yung yung...
Okay, let me check the other cabinets.
Cabinet.
Cabinet,
Kailangan mo talagang buksan ng cabinets.
Wait, let me get to that set.
Kamusta, kaibigan?
Alright.
Bro, easily.
Okay, no keys.
Hindi ka
And I
umakyat.
can't even...
Putik, sino yun?
What the heck?
Ay, putik! Heck na!
What the heck? How is that even possible?
Baka tumayo ka, baka nag-sound ka.
You died.
I didn't make a sound.
Are you
Bro,
sure?
how did you die? You didn't even make a sound. How did you die? How is that even possible? Man, how is that even possible, man? I didn't even know. How the heck is that possible, man? How the heck is that possible?
Meron na akong pro strat energy.
Ang creepy mo.
Meron na akong I have a strat, guys. Don't worry.
Oh, just Neo.
Climb the cabinet.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, bro.
He wants
Oh
to
my
eat
gosh.
my solid snakes.
What do you mean by that?
Oh,
Every
bro.
time we just
Don't make a
die.
sound. Don't make a sound. Don't make a sound, Gab. Don't make a sound. Mag-crouch ka lang.
Don't make a sound, you monster.
Don't make a noise. Wag mo yung don't make a sound.
Don't make a sound, bro. If you make a sound, you're gay.
No, seriously, stop.
Boy. Nahanap ko na. Yeah. I found the key, guys. I found the key.
Let me find the other key, and I'll see some 70 alternative accounts.
Okay, crouch tayo. Magka-crouch tayo para uy, pwede tayo mag-hide sa locker sa locker.
Pwede naman.
I'm gonna hide the locker and I'm gonna say yes, key.
Wait.
Yes, King? What do you mean by that?
Oh shoot. Nandito agad si the dog man.
Wait,
The dog man.
He wants
The dog
to
man.
eat my wieners.
Heh? Ano ba sinasabi mo, Clarence? Ano ba sinasabi mo, Red?
Oh shoot. Oh.
No.
You tried to kill me.
Don't you kill me!
Unlock mo na kapag meron kang nahanap na key.
Namatay na naman
you
ako.
Drake,
Just
that's
stay
your fault.
still.
Bro, that's all your fault, bro. It's all your fault.
Bro,
Guys.
sana lang yung lights ko, putik.
Guys, somebody fix
Oh my gosh, wait. Oh my gosh,
somebody
andito.
fix this
There's
game.
two of them.
I need to
Bro, there's two of them.
wait, there's two?
Yeah, dalawang low tick.
Bro, there's literally two? Oh my gosh. Isa na lang yung life ko. Okay. Seryoso na tayo. Yeah, I'm not going to make a sound.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, seryoso na to.
Are you sure?
Bro, can somebody find the other key?
Sige, ako.
Mag-split together.
Okay, buddy.
Split. We need to split together. Kasi...
Stop whistling!
Inak yun.
Bro. Oh my lord, na naman to. Chuki talaga.
What ka dyan?
Stop whistling! Or else cannot see with...
Oh my gosh, nandito na naman siya. Oh my gosh, nandito na naman.
Ah! No! I don't wanna die! No!
Ano yun? Oh my freaking days, bro. Oh my
Hell no! I will not do that again. Wala dito. Ano ba yan, boy? Saan ba yan, boy? Oh, shoot.
I found the key.
Oh, hey! Dapat ako namatay.
Bakit? Muntik ka ba
Bakit?
na mamatay? Muntik ka.
Oh no! I'm gonna see
Nope, I can't find the key. Boy. No. Bakit kami direk? Hello. Goodbye. Huwag mo kayo saktan. Huwag mo kayo
Well, stop
saktan,
it.
please. Huwag mo kayo saktan. Don't hurt me, man.
Okay, alright. I am not gonna die because of my prominent cross.
Prominent cross? What do you mean?
Titika.
No, open all of it, then close it when you're on top of it.
Huwag mo akong gulatin. Oh. Go.
I didn't sleep. Okay?
I did not say get. I did not say get to you.
I'm gonna die as well.
Oh my gosh, I almost died. I almost get Oy! Oh, I almost get killed. I almost get killed.
Oh heck no! It's on top of me.
I'm not gonna move. I am not gonna move.
I
The
am
dog
gonna
man's
move.
still here.
Because there is the man who sold the burger.
La boo boo.
Okay.
Oh shoot.
Oh, my fellow! Dodgeball! Ah, namatay ko! Putik! Yes! Namatay na ako. Palagi. Okay. Sige. Sige, isa na lang.
Man, guys, how many lives are there? Oh my gosh, I need to put in.
Right, I didn't
3 lives na lang ako.
Ako na lang, one life na lang ako putik.
because I didn't even die as well. My
King Hitler? Ano ba sabi mo, boy?
Ano sabi mo?
Alam ko.
Patay ko po. Oh,
Bahay kubo. Taas noo, ako'y isang.
hindi ako pwede na mamatay kasi yung malaki tong dogman na to.
I said I didn't even die, you monster.
Bakit sinasabi mo monster si James? Putik. Bakit? Monster siya sa ano? Sa...
Okay.
Namatay ko ulit?
I almost get killed.
Ah, almost. Okay. Okay, salamat. Salamat. Bakit gumalaw ka? Bakit gumalaw ka?
Namatay na ako.
Okay, boy. Pro tip. Kapag malapit yung monster, huwag ka bumuksan yung mga closets. Huwag ka gumalaw at huwag ka bubuksan ng closets. That's why pinatay niya ako. Pakita mo yung ako. Patay ka rin. Then, patay ka na. Okay.
Man, tayo mo na mag-breathe.
Oh,
Okay. I am gonna
na-unlock mo na. Na-unlock mo na yung mga keys.
Ay, napatay na ako eh. Wala na ako buhay.
what the heck is a wasting that?
Napaka-chunky. Aray, ko.
Napaka-chuke. Ano yun? Ang chuke.
I'm choking you.
Ah, salamat na. Huwag mo kahawaki.
Kaya mo yan, guys. Kaya mo yan. Guys, kaya mo yan. Red, ang tagal mo.
I
Ang tagal
said,
mo
wait,
talaga.
there's a freaking monster wants to fight my snake.
That's the same.
What snake? Anong snake? Anong snake, boy? Tumot dito.
Okay, good.
Boy. Takbo! Okay, hindi.
And you just died.
Hindi ka mamatay. Si James. Boy! Nakakita ako, boy. Yung monster, nasa likod ko. Don't. I will distract the monster. I will distract the. Hey you, mother. Hey you. Come here. Come here, monster. What if I slash it? I am heading over to them. Come on, the Giant Monster! In HD, I will see my best friend get you.
Okay. Buksan mo yan na closet.
Smile for the camera. Wag kayo tumakbo.
You are not gonna try, you genius body spree.
Okay, ano? Saan ka rin? Saan ka? Okay. Okay. Then, saan ka na, boy? You idiot, unlock for the monster.
Lakad ka
Kasi
na.
nila kami. Saan, boy?
Bro,
Di ka SpongeBob, boy.
hanapin mo yan, no?
Nahanap ko isa. Eh,
Sakit mo isa? Oh, nice.
nahanap ako isa.
I knew you're here.
Okay. Gab. Okay,
Bakit may maze dito?
Alright, I'm going to the next door, Flo.
Squeeze.
Going into this.
Napatay agad talaga tuloy. Wait, who
It's me.
Aray, isa na.
Okay, I
Aray
see
ko.
the other one.
Oh, sino bumibig?
Ako.
Bro.
Are you serious? You're...
The monster won't even reach me, man.
I said... God!
Wala, I didn't see the monster. Oh, I didn't see the monster.
I didn't even see the monster in the memory of Monster
Bro, walang button.
1986 to
Kasi maitim yung monster, boy.
Dito.
Kasi-
Wala dito
Are
buttons.
you serious?
Boy, am I getting a heart attack, boy?
Wala dito. Wait, oh my gosh. Lumabas ka, wala dito. Ayan sinasabi ko, I told you there's no buttons.
Okay, you're gay.
You're gay? For spitting facts?
Seriously. Okay, I'll check, Gabriel. Okay. Are you still...
Like I said, Jack, the kids are cool. You know that?
Check you!
Okay,
I'm
tapo.
going to another... Takbo? No, thank you. I don't want to waste my chances.
Run, because I need
One.
my...
Kinda was a problem.
Pwede ka tumakbo. The monster will not enter the door. The monster will not enter the door.
You're
Okay.
gay.
Takbo! Run! Run! Takbo!
Boy, nag-stuck ako, boy. Boy, take some ibuprofen.
Ayan, nice.
Heck no, pagkakuha na ko yung monster. Di ka mahanap yung key, guys. Sorry. sneak. Oh, no, that's it. Worse.
So,
Look at the just.
kailangan ko ganun eh, para.
Up. Up. Yep.
I found another water.
I found one.
Ano to?
Yep.
What's that sound?
It was me.
It was me. Big it. Umiyak. May umiiyak, boy. May umiiyak. Oh, shot. Isa pang room. Sino ba si Shy Guy?
Careful,
Si
guys.
Shy Guy ba yun? O hindi? Di ko gusto malaman.
Sayang, dapat 4 players tayo para na maka-JC Flunky. Grabe. Ayan, nice.
Okay? Labas.
You found the buttons?
Yeah, tatlo na yung sa akin.
Okay, sige.
Activated another button now, which is good.
Okay, nice.
Oh, shoot.
Okay, isa na lang.
Scramble time.
Butik.
I'm scrambling.
Hindi ako maabot.
I'm searching. It's so good. It's good, Dante.
Dante? Pre, dito Resident Evil.
Oh, great. Never mind.
Ayan. Ayan, punta ka sa door.
I'm already going there.
You eat this? Oh my god!
Kapag na-activate mo na yung all the buttons, that means go back to the, sa spot. May exit na.
I said wait.
Ayan. Ano to? Grabe naman to.
Turning exit.
Sa spot, yun napatay ka, di ba? Nasa spawn.
So spawn?
I said wait.
Oo, sa spawn. Okay. Yun na lang. Kapag yung dogman lumabas, tapos tumakbo ka agad. When the dogman go,
Diyan ba? Diyan ba? Turning exit.
when the dogman comes down, then it spreads.
Wait.
And then,
Dito ba? Dito ang direction. Ito ang direction na to.
hold on. Oh! Okay, wala pa.
I will look behind us.
Takbo!
Huwag ka takbo, boy! Oh, hi, ate. Wait lang mo ako. Tagbo. Op, dito na. Go. Hindi nga pa nakakabili ba? Let's go, gang! You know the style, always shiny.
That's so crazy, man. That was so crazy.
Saan na kami? Boy. Boy.
Kailangan natin siya para
Alright.
Oh, okay. Akala ko meron sa pang level.
Baka matiin nyo guys, alam to. Kasi namatay na naman ako. Agad.
Don't worry, bro. You will respawn. Boy, bakit? Oh, hey.
Namatay ako kasi agad ako. Yan. Depende na kasi mo. Kasi mahal yung pag-revive. Baka ba Hindi nyo alam to, ah.
I want to take that swim. Let's go, gang.
When you hear the whistle,
May monster. May monster dyan.
Loki said that.
Click mo yung H. Click mo yung H. Mag-reset ka nga. Try ka namatay. Well, natuturo ka. If you're dead. Well, try to reason and then habang nagtatakbo ka, kapag namatay ka agad, try mo lang. No need to crouch. No need to crouch. Pwede ka. No need to crouch.
Naiiwanan mo ako. Naiiwanan mo ako, boy.
Click crouch. H pala. H. It doesn't happen. It doesn't happen. Di nyo to alam, guys. Di nyo to alam. You guys didn't know how to manage this.
Try to. What the frick? Whoa.
Do you remember now when the accident or not?
I didn't know. I didn't remember.
I was serious. You're just. You didn't even upload your videos, and that's why I'm upset because of you.
So long for editing. It's napakahaba.
Dapat magiging 1 hour gameplay. Ano yun? Boy, ano? Ito pa nga.
Oh my gosh. Kapag namatay ka tayo, pwede tayo mag-configure. Dapat 4 players. 4 players.
You know what? This is all your fault.
Bro.
Okay. Hindi ko tingnan mo na maka-join si Floki eh.
Floki.
Yeah. Repeat. Good. Keep going. Let me see.
Hindi.
No.
Stop recording. Okay. Did you play Blair, guys? Did you guys play Blair? Try to play Blair. It's like Spectre, man.
Yeah, it was another version of Spectre.
Yeah.
Let's try that.
Mag-record tayo ulit. Okay.
3 out of 7. Weird.
Okay. I'll do the waiting for that. And then I'll waiting for you. I'll waiting for you. Open mo lang yung camera mo. I'm gonna open my camera sa live stream sa Streamlabs.
Oh, nag-left. Okay.
Guys, we should... Okay, try mo yung try to join the lair.